Hello, Jim Tech Buzz. Today we've got the new Fujifilm Instax Square 1 here, and we're going to give you a quick first look and unboxing today and take it off for a review. So if you have any questions, as per usual, feel free to ask. And this is what the package looks like here. So you've got brighter images with automatic exposure, selfie, mirror and selfie mode. Simply twist to turn on the camera. And you have got no need to focus. You've high picture quality, collapsible lens, and you've automatic flash, and you focus from 30 to 50 centimeters with selfie mode. Easy to shoot selfies with selfie mode, selfie mirror. Automatic exposure control enables the background as well as the subject to be captured brightly, and a built-in lens cover and tells you what's inside the box, which we're going to have a look at now. So use these films here. And there is other variants available. You've got rainbow, monochrome and so on, so you've got plenty of films there to go taking loads of snaps. And this is a little card that comes with it as well, and just tells you a little bit more there. So that's pretty much it. So let's get it unboxed and see what it looks like in the flesh. So first up, you will get the camera itself. You will get a little 3M sticker there, a lanyard strap, and of course your books and all that kind of jazz. So hang on to it. So this is what it looks like here. You also get 2 batteries as well. So you've got on and off here. You've got some lanyard strap here on the side. Your pictures will come out on the top, and in the back is where the cartridge will go. You've got a photo counter here, and here is where the batteries go. So let's pop in the batteries, and they go in that way. So the batteries are in. So you've got your viewfinder there. That will be your LED for power, I presume. Yep. And as you can see there, it's a retractable lens, which is pretty cool. Haven't seen one of those in a while. So just to give you a close-up look at that in action. Pretty nice indeed. And here is your flash here. And of course this is your selfie mirror here. And you've got your lens cap there. So pretty nice. So this is the button here you will use to take the photographs. So if you're doing your selfie, you will just press that, and away you go, like so. Picture will come out up the top. And if you're using it this way, it's just the same here. So it's a one-touch operation, pretty simple to use, and that's pretty much about it. So it looks really nice. It's a little bit on the big side, but however, it looks really nice. It's something different, and I love this telescopic lens. It's been a while since I've seen a camera like that myself, or used one, so it'll be interesting. It looks really nice. It does come in a couple of different colours as well. It's not too heavy either. It's just a little bit on the bulky side, but it doesn't really matter. But overall, it looks really well. It's nicely built, and it's a nice matte finish on it as well. And that's about it anyway for now. So your films of course go in there. As I said, we've got plenty to mess around with there. So what we'll do is we will take some pictures, use it and see what it's like. And as I said, any questions of course feel free to ask, and we'll see it in the full review soon. And that's it for now. And thanks to Fujifilm for sending this over, and we'll talk to you in the next video.